In this video, we're going to talk about the presentation builder of the ASSIA Connect desktop platform. What you're seeing here on the screen now is an example of a presentation that I just built. It's a collection of 3 videos in the order that I sort, and I've also added a PDF for my contact to download. If you want to build one of these presentations yourself, you can watch this video and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Starting with, let's go into the desktop platform here. And up at the top here, you will click on Media, and you will go to Presentation Builder. Now when you're on Presentation Builder, this is where you can start digging into the different videos and content to start building your own collection, your own playlists of videos that you would want your contacts or prospects to see. So let's go ahead and build one regarding the athletes. So let's go here and let's add that athlete video. We're going to use this search box up at the top. We're going to type in the word athlete here to pull up all my athlete videos. So let's pull up this Michelle Salt one and also these 2 here, Brie Larson and Cody Miller. Now in addition to searching with that box there, you can also click on this folder option here to open up different videos that you may want to find from the business resource section, the ASSIA Video section, and so you can sort through it that way as well, or you can also look at your favorites. So we've collected so far 4 different videos that we want our contact to go through. Let's resort these here by dragging these down like so. And we can now remove a video if we wanted to by hitting the X button there. We like that, so let's go down just a little bit more to the next step of adding a PDF to the presentation. So this area right here is a spot that you can add a PDF to the presentation. When you open this up, you're going to see a lot of different PDFs that we have available. The same PDFs that you would find in the mobile app, you're going to find here. So let's find this ASSIA Redox Science Summary document here. Let's just add that there. You have an option to preview that as well. But for now, let's just name this presentation ASSIA Athletes. Like so, and we'll hit Save Presentation. Okay, the presentation has been added to our presentation list. We now have the ability to view that presentation by clicking on this View Presentation button, and you can see right here, here are the videos in the order that I had suggested, with that ASSIA Redox Science Summary. Once we're done building the presentation, we can now go to the process of sending that. Now I'm going to show you how you can send that presentation using your email right now. So if you go back to the desktop platform here, and you now click on Media and go to Media here, you're going to see all the different videos that we have available to us. But if you also click on Images, PDFs, and then finally Presentations, you can see the presentations that I have built, and if you build one, you will start to see them populate in here just like so. Now if you wanted to share this with a number of people, you can go to your contact list here, and you can go to Manage Contacts, and you can click on a contact here, and you have an option over here for Share a Presentation. If you click on Share Presentation, it's going to come up with some different email templates that you may have created already, or you can select a presentation here. We want to send the ASSIA Athletes presentation. And then we can add a subject to this. Look at this ASSIA Athlete compilation. And we can now hit the checkbox here, agreeing to the anti-spam policy, and we can hit Send Email. You can also edit this as well to add a little bit more context to this. And you can also use this code Presentation64 for any of your different email templates that you build as well. Let's go ahead and hit Send Email. After you send a presentation one by one, you now want to probably learn how to add it to a template so that you can send it to multiple people. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go to our Media tab here, and let's go down to Email Scripts. And now you can see a few different email scripts that I have put together here. Let's go ahead and look at my athlete-specific email script, and let's see about adding that new presentation into my athlete-specific script. So let's click on this little pencil button here to edit. And as I scroll down here, you can see I've already added some manual videos in here, but if I wanted to add my full presentation, I can delete those, also removing that as well. And let's go here and let's hit Add Media, because we want to add that presentation to my email template. When I click on Add Media, the media library opens up and I have the option to select videos, images, PDFs, or presentations. We want presentations. Okay, here's a presentation I created for ASEA athletes. Let's checkbox that and hit Add Selected. And just as expected, down below you will see the presentation 64 added here to the email. So now we can preview the message by clicking on the Preview Message button here. And previously on this email template, we had hand selected and hand chosen multiple videos that showed up here in the email. We have now removed those and added one link here that will allow our associates or contacts to access this link and access these 4 videos in one link, one visit, and one seating. So let's go back here to our email script, and let's go here and hit Save Script. And now we have a proper athlete-specific email template that has that presentation that we have just built. Now, the process of sending this email template to multiple people is as easy as going to the Media tab, clicking on One-Click Email. Once we're on this page here, you can select which contacts you would like to send this presentation template to. So you can go through your list like so and select any number of people that you would want to send this to. You can see your list starting to build up over here on the right, or excuse me, on the left. And you can go through it that way. You can also send this to multiple people in a specific folder by choosing this drop down and sending this to everyone in your hot list, for instance. Now as we scroll down here, we have different email templates that we've already built. You can reference a video training that I have on email templates if you would like on a separate video. Let's go ahead and find my athlete-specific template. Okay, let's select that. And you can, at this point, make a quick edit to your template if you'd like, or you can preview it, and you can send it. So we like how that looks. You can see here that we now have a presentation 64 added to that. So let's go ahead and agree to the anti-spam policy and hit Send Email. So now you get the success that the email was sent successfully. After you have created and saved your first presentation on the desktop platform, the act of sending it as a text message on your mobile device is even easier. So when you first load up your device after creating your presentation, you're going to want to pull down to refresh. So you see here I'm pulling down on that banner and it's going to refresh my content. You must do that for your new presentation section to pull up. So now let's scroll down here through our sections and look for a section called Presentations. There they are. I have 2 presentations that I have built, ASEA Athletes and a New to ASEA. Let's click on my ASEA Athletes here. And just like on the desktop, I can preview it by hitting this little eyeball, and I can also now email it or send it as an SMS or text message. If I click on the SMS, it's going to then go through my ASEA Connect app and ask me which contact I would like to send it to. Now this iPad is not on a data plan, so we won't be able to go as far with the test, but I'll get you over here to this screen to where now you have this link here that contains the presentation for sending. So just like that, you can build presentations on the desktop, then access them on your device to send them to other people. So let's click on that presentation, hit the eyeball, just to show you an example of what it looks like. Just like that. So now that you understand how to build presentations, send them as emails, add them to templates, and also add them to your mobile app. If you guys have any questions about the presentation builder, please reach me, connect@aseaglobal.com, and we'll see you on one of our trainings. Thank you.